I didn't even realize I had one on. Decent sized fish too. Hey, how about that? See, I'm recording. Got a decent sized fish on purple. Nice. Hold on, baby. Maybe purple's the color today. Certainly wasn't green pumpkin. Okay, I actually want to weigh this one. I haven't had to weigh one in about a week because I've been catching all small ones. This one played coy with me at first. Make sure it's 0. 113. Okay. Cool, it's almost 2 pounds. Cool in the gang. Kind of a hunchback a little bit. Very nice. All right, 335. Went with purple with blue flecks. Got one. Fish number 2. Come on, booger. Alright. Second fish of the day. Still on purple. I don't know, maybe a pound. Good work.